Imagine your star quarterback throws 400s of yards in a game. You might expect every single yard to rack up fantasy points for your team, right? Well, it is exciting when your quarterback racks up passing yards, but the simple answer is no. Not every single passing yard always translates directly into a fantasy point in what we call standard leagues. It depends on how your league's scoring system values those yards. The core mechanism for quarterback scoring in most standard fantasy football leagues is actually quite specific. Typically, quarterbacks receive 1.4 every 25 passing yards they accumulate. This means you need a significant chunk of yardage to earn even a single fantasy point, unlike running backs or wide receivers who often get 1.4 every 10 rushing or receiving yards. So while a great quarterback might throw for 300 yards, that only translates to 12 fantasy points just from yardage. To fully understand your quarterback's potential, you should always check your league's specific scoring rules. These rules are usually found in the league settings or scoring breakdown section of your fantasy platform. Knowing this breakdown helps you assess players more accurately, because a quarterback throwing for a lot of yards might not be as valuable as one who throws for fewer yards but more touchdowns, depending on how those statistics are weighted. Here is an insider tip. Passing touchdowns are often a much more valuable commodity than passing yardage in standard formats. A passing touchdown typically awards for points, which is the equivalent of 100 passing yards. This means a quarterback who throws 300 passing yards and 2 touchdowns would net 12 points for yardage plus 8 points for touchdowns, totaling 20 points, making the touchdowns a crucial scoring component. Understanding that not every yard is created equal helps you make smarter decisions when drafting or trading for quarterbacks. Instead of solely chasing quarterbacks who pile up huge yardage totals, consider those who are efficient and consistently convert their opportunities into high-value plays like touchdowns. This informed approach will give your fantasy team a significant edge.